Ciao ragazzi. So today you are going to learn the verb pensare, pensarne and pensarci. So how we understand this verb? So pensare, it is a simple verb like if I say I think, so I will say io penso. If I say you think, so I will say tu pensi. So this is a simple verb that we use to think. So now we understand pensarci verb. So when somebody is thinking about something, so we use ci penso. So you have to use ci here because we think about something. And now we understand pensarne verb. We use this verb when somebody is asking someone's opinion about something. So we have to use ne with pensare verb. So let's see some phrases that Italians use the most. So first is io penso, I think. Penso così, I think so. Non penso proprio, I don't think so. Io pensavo, I used to think. Io ho pensato, I thought. Io penso, I think. Io penserò, I will think. Penso di sì, I think yes. Penso di no, I think no. So next is pensarci. Ci penso, I will think about it. Non ci penso, I don't think about it. Devo pensarci, I have to think about it. Ci sto pensando su, I am thinking about it. And next is pensarne. Che ne pensi? What do you think about it? So whenever you are asking someone's opinion about something, so you will have to use ne with pensare verb. So that's why I'm using here che ne pensi. And I can ask also che ne pensi del nuovo film? What do you think about new movie? So see you in the next video in which you will understand these phrases in a better way. So ciao, alla prossima!